Gabe the Guide here, and today we are in Catalina State Park. It is March, and that means one thing: wildflowers. Let's take a look. Little pops of color in the desert. So cool. Views for days. Just stop, take a breath, take it in. There's a lot of trails in the park. Today, we are gonna go on the Nature Trail Loop. Let's check it out. You just can't help it but smile when you're out here. So beautiful. Made it to the start of the loop. Sometimes we're just moving way too fast to notice all the beautiful things around us. I invite you to slow down wherever you are and notice what's around you. I wonder what you may see that you weren't aware of before. Hey, butterfly. Have you ever thought, hey, I wonder how my hand compares to a mountain lion? No? Let's find out today. I think mine's a little bigger. Still, I would definitely give this mountain lion some space. Palo Verde dancing in the wind. Almost saying, hey, thanks for walking by. Question, can you walk by a big rock and not want to jump on it? Answer. I see a big rock, I want to jump on it. Thanks for joining me today. And as always, remember, a good day starts with nature.